Are you struggling with client complaints about the quality of your handle? Are you satisfied with your current handle supplier? Do you want a reliable handle manufacturer to make your business take off? Roche Handle is here for you. As a leading manufacturer of different handles, Roche has over 11 years experience in the marketplace. Our handles include antique handles, modern handles, and industrial equipment handles. You can trust our quality because all Roche handles have passed ISO and RoHa certifications. We have an extraordinary design team, a mold manufacturing factory with over 10,000 molds in stock, saving you money, top-class die casting technology, top-class polishing technology, top-class surface treatment technology, and we have a professional QC inspection and packaging team. Roche has 11 years experience in exporting handles to Europe, North America, and the Australian markets. Roche knows more about the handle market than local dealers. Roche knows handles, knows client requirements, and knows the whole handle market. We will help you gain more revenue with our high-quality handles. Roche exports 20 million sets of handles to the global market every year with extremely fast delivery. In order to ensure the highest quality, every set of Roche handles must be fully inspected before shipping. Roche aims to be the full handle solution for your clients. Let Roche support your business right now. Contact us at info@rochehandle.com.